So typing. Hello, hello. Yeah. Slowly observe here. These are demo classes. Just what I'm telling yesterday class or previous classes. Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a database product. 19 is a version number. What is the purpose of these database products? To store data permanently. Suppose these databases stores a what? Data permanently also. Structured collection of data is there because these are relational data models. Today I will tell you one of these days. Okay, database only Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these type of database softwares stores a structured collection of data. And also, if you want to operate a what data, then we must use some languages. Up to that one we are discussing yesterday. Suppose I am working in a project, for example. Whenever I am working in a company side, in that company, some details are there. For example, don't write it, just observe here. Month is a column is there. Again, some product names are available. And also sales are available. From the flat file data, I want to store these details into a database, for example, permanently. Suppose January month, a product name is maybe in a laptop or computer or anything also. The sales is 10 sales only there. In a January month, a TV is a product. Here 30 sales are there. For example, this type of things. Again, January month. For example, in a ABC, the product in a pen I am taking in that class. Here like this. Again, February month. Here again, in a company side, some laptops or computers are there. Here 20 is a sales. Again, February month. TV. Here 40 is a sales. Again, a February month. A pen is a product, anything, just stop it. And now here, yes, 30 is a sales. For example, this is a table. This table you are observing or not, in this month, only characters are there. In this product, only character strings are there. In the sales column, only numbers are there. And also matrix format only data is storing. These are called columns. Red color month, product name and sales are called columns. And also these are called rows only. Okay, yes, rows. Oriental. This is called row. This is called row like this. Now here, observe it here. Check it out. Here in my project, here, observe it here. This is a 1 minute only. This is a Oracle database. Okay, some software, for example. In this software, in my project side, one table is available. I am also, my colleagues also storing a data into this table. For example, item details based on project requirement. Observe here. January month, observe here. These sales are available or not? February month, these sales are available or not? Yes, that's why a structured collection of data is available or not? A structured collection of data. Yes. One of the day, I am and my colleagues also storing this data. This data permanently available. Today I am opening this table also. This table data is available or not? Yes. Now from this table, any reports also we are generating. For example, from this table, for example, how many sales, total sales are available. I want to view means just we are writing in a feature some coding only. And now here sum of sales like this. Here total sales. Okay, for example. Now here from table, item table like this. This is the way automatically calculated or not? Yes. This is called SQL language. Through this SQL language, we are generating a what reports from this one only. Suppose you are experienced person means you are generating a what reports like here. This is the item table. Don't write it. These are all the things you don't have an idea. All columns along with this one. Here, if you want to generate a what reports means up here. Yes, month is there, product name is there, and sales is there, and the total sales is a report. This is a report, not a table. From this table, it will be generate a what this report by using this SQL language. Now, suppose here each month wise sales, total sales I want. Suppose the January month sales, you have to count it 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 30, 60. Again, February month sales 30 plus 20 is 50, 50 plus 40, 90. Okay. This 6 records means manually also we are calculating. Suppose you are, okay, so 1000 records are there, 10,000 records are there. In that case, manually calculation difficult. That's why these type of codings you are writing. Partition by month, month. These type of now here, just observe it here. Yes. Month by sales also there are not. February month 90. Again, January month 60 is available or not. That's why here these type of codings are also called as which one? SQL language. That's why in a previous classes, Oracle is a product from Oracle Corporation. This is a popular database product. And also, what is the purpose of this database product? To store data permanently. If you want to operate a data in a way, those databases means SQL, PL, SQL languages we are using. Up to that one, we are discussing what in a previous class. Okay, na? Yeah. Newcomer purpose, again, I'm repeating. Some fellows are today only, they're connected. Okay. Otherwise, these three languages. Okay, na? Yeah. And also, yesterday class, don't worry. Yes, I am telling what type of jobs are available in a market in a worldwide when we are learning about this development course. I'm telling, don't worry who are joining what today. Okay, yeah. Yes. Now today class, observe it here. Slowly observe it here. Actually, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, here these all databases are relational database. Some concept is there, don't worry. This database having a what? Two types of structures. This is so many fellows doesn't have an idea. Just observe here, demo class. Okay, here this is a database. Some place is there. Okay, fine. Either Oracle database or SQL Server database or MySQL database or a Postgres database or Ingress database or SQLite database or DB2 database. Any database also, Teradata database having a what? Two types of structures. What is database? Today, one of the stage you will understand. Observe here. Two types of structures. One is, anybody have an idea? Logical structure. Observe here 1 minute only. One is logical structure. Another one is physical structure. Anybody tell me what is logical structure? What is physical structure? Anybody telling me in our class? Great. In a computer students are there, maybe they're guessing in our class. Okay. Every database having a two types of structures. Why I'm telling like this means you are understandable today. What is database? You are understandable. Don't worry. Every database having two types of structures. These are first one logical structure. Another one is physical structure. But what is the difference between logical and physical? Okay, one fellow is telling only Murali logical means logical, physical means physical. They are telling only. Don't tell like that only. Just some difference is there. Okay, yeah. Otherwise, you are a Java developer, you are a Python developer, you are a PLSQL developer, I am a SQL developer. These all developers are working in a way which structure at least. Which structure? Very good. You are telling correct answer. Logical structure. So many fellows are telling logical structure. Correct. But what is that logical structure? Tell me. Okay, logical structure really correct. Physical structure means that is database administrator working only in a company side. Don't worry. Logical structure means SQL, PL, SQL developer, Java developer, .NET developer, Python developer. These front-end developers also working on it. Okay, fine. I am agree. But what is this logical structure? Now observe here. What is this logical structure? Is that easy? Observe here. Two types of structures are there. Every database having two types of structures. One is logical, another one is physical. Observe here. What is this logical structure means? Then observe. This terminology most powerful. Suppose this is a database is there. Some place is there. Okay, fine. For example, okay, yeah. Here today I try to create a one table. Today. Observe here. Create table. Don't write it. Just observe here. Very interesting. In a table, I'm creating. For example, in a table name. Just observe here. J is a table I'm trying to create. Anything, ABC, XYZ also, not a problem. So many tables are there. That's I try to create a table. Okay, fine. Oh, maybe in this database table format only data is there. They are telling, okay, fine, don't worry. Now I'm creating a table. What is this number? What is JJ? You don't have an idea, but I'm creating a table. Yes, absolutely. Table is created or not? Here, what is the table name? JJ is a table I'm creating today. Okay, na? Slowly observe here. The table is created or not? Yes. Now you are also, your friend also searching where this table is available in a system, in this operating system, you are searching only. Suppose here, I am also searching like this. The table is created, okay, fine. Where the table is available, I want to search. Suppose my computer, where my Oracle is available in my system, I'm checking. Where the Oracle is available, here Vora data somewhere, okay. Just Oracle folder is there, this path, you don't have an idea, just observe here, Oracle is available. Now in a C drive only, here Oracle is available, I am installing, you are also installing in a future. Now I am opening a what? This Oracle folder. Now tell me, correctly tell me. Suppose JJ table is visible or not visible? No. That's why a structure which is not visible in operating system. A structure which is not visible in operating system is called which one? Logical structure. Is called logical structure. That's why the table is not visible in a C drive, D drive. That is operating system. View is not visible. Synonym is not visible. Procedure is not visible. Function is not visible in an operating system. This type of structure is also called as logical structure. A structure which is not visible in operating system is called a logical structure. But the structure is visible in where? Database level. Database level it is visible. Operating system level it is not visible. That's why your table, just you are observing in a C drive, D drive, it is not visible only. But this table is available in a where? Database. Within a database level, this will be visible or not? Yes. Now check it out. This is a table. This table is available in a database. Database level it is visible. But okay, so now here, yes. Operating system level it is not visible. That's why a structure which is not visible. What is the logical structure? A structure which is not visible in operating system is called logical structure. Okay, every database side also. In that logical structure, which one is there? Table is there, view is there, index is there, synonym is there, sequence is there, procedure is there, function is there, trigger. So many things are there. Don't worry. Up to now, you don't have an idea. At least table, you are remembering me enough. That's why that table is visible in a where? In operating system. In a C drive, D drive, E drive, it is visible? No, not visible. Okay, na? That's why this structure only Java developers, .NET developers, Python developers, Oracle SQL developers, SQL developer, SQL means SQL Server SQL developer, again MySQL SQL developers or Oracle SQL developers are working on it. Logical structure developers, not administrators. Okay, na? But the structure is visible in a where? Database level. Okay, up to now, okay. And now observe here. Why I'm telling also you are understandable. What is physical structure? Exact opposite of the logical structure. Suppose a structure which is visible in operating system, that is called what? Physical structure. Physical structure is handled by only database administrator. In a worldwide, you are learning a course DBA, Oracle DBA or SQL Server DBA, MySQL DBA. Those persons only working as a administrator, database administrator only in the technology side. Those persons, well-known persons, what is physical structure only, but you don't have an idea also, not a problem. That's why a structure which is visible in operating system is called physical structure. Database administrator only handling a what? Physical structure, not you, not me. Okay, now observe it here, observe it here. Suppose screen observe it. Now, screen observe it. I'm viewing a what? That physical structure now. Suppose I'm installing a what? Oracle software. This physical structure is available in every software also. You are installing a Java, you are installing Oracle, you are installing a what tab, you are installing a what MS Access. So now anything also some physical files are created in an operating system. T drive like that. That is called physical structure. Suppose here, observe here, I'm installing a Oracle. Whenever I'm installing a Oracle, in a C drive, here somewhere Oracle is there in my system. Yes, here Oracle folder I am opening. Observe here. Yes, some files are there. You are observing or not? .dbf files, .ctl files, .log files. You don't have an idea this one. But unfortunately, a structure which is visible in operating system is called physical structure. These files, collection of files are nothing but a what? Physical structure. Physical structure. That relation is there, logical and physical, but just first time newcomer observation. What is physical structure? Anybody asking me is what you are telling, not only Oracle database side, any software technology side also. Whenever we are installing a particular software, automatically some physical files are created in operating system. That is called physical structure. But Oracle, how they are telling a structure which is visible in operating system is called physical structure. Okay, now these physical files are visible in our operating system, C drive, D drive or not? Yes, here. This is called physical structure. A structure which is visible in operating system, that is called physical structure. Observe here. Yes. Physical structure is handled by database administrator. Why I am struggling? I am telling you what this one very slowly. This terminology means these things so many fellows are doesn't know. But anybody experienced person asking what this small concept, anybody not telling me is immediately rejected because fundamentally not good means they are never satisfied interviewers because those experienced persons, those persons, bookish knowledge, they are not interested actually. Now check it out. Observe here, observe here, observe here. Why I am telling this one means reason is there. Suppose one fellow is learning a course Oracle DBA. For example, I am learning a course Oracle DBA, database administrator. Okay, for example, okay, yeah. I am attending interview. Whenever I am attending interview, my interviewer asking what, Murali, what is database? They're asking. Whenever they are asking about the simple question, immediately bookish knowledge, I am telling only, oh, database is nothing but it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. I am telling means immediately rejected. Total interview is gone. Immediately rejected from the interview. Really, this is correct also. I am a database administrator means I am not telling a what. It is a logical structure. A logical structure wise the database definition only, yes, developers are telling only, but administrator not interested to tell like this. Administrator, well-known persons, some physical files only. That's why what is a database? They're asking me is I'm a good database administrator means I am telling a what? Yes, Oracle database is nothing but a what? A collection of so now your data files, .dbf files. dot CTL files, control files, dot log files. They are telling me is correct, really correct. This is because this is a physical structure. This is the way they are telling me they are selected. Then what is these files? How we are handling? They are asking only because those persons are well-known persons. These data files and okay control files. Oh, they are sorry. These TBA files and control files and read log files and also table spaces, extents, segments, bits, bytes, blocks. They have an idea. But I am a Java developer, you are a Java developer, I am a PLSQL developer, you are a okay, SQL developer. This much of knowledge you don't have an idea, really not required. Okay, we are not understandable. That's why, what is a database? Interviewer asking what for SQL, PLSQL developer, SQL Server developer, MySQL developer, or otherwise in a database, okay, in a okay front-end developer side also. Yes, what is a database? They're asking me, sir. Logical structure side they're telling, because logical structure only they are well-known persons. What is the logical structure? Means observe here, a structure which is visible in a or not visible in operating system, but that is visible in a where? Database level or not? Yes, here. Observe here. What is database means? It is a place where we can store structured collection of data. That is a logical structure. Observe here. Database means in a computerized system side, when we are installing in a database software, means it is a place, some place is created where we can store structured collection of data. That is nothing but a logical structure. Observe here, that logical structure where we can store structured collection of data means. Observe here, this is a database is there. This is a database level visible or not? Yes. And now check it out. Observe here how much easy. And now this is a database. It is a place where we can store structured collection of data. So now it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. Yes, this is a structured collection of data we are storing or not. This is a logical structure or physical structure? Logical. Why? Because this is a database level only visible. Operating system level, this table is not visible in a C drive or D drive like that. This is a logical structure. A structured collection of data only. Suppose here, now here, check it out. Yes. That's why anybody asking about what is a database means, it is a place where we can store structured collection of data. You are telling me there is a logical structure or physical structure? Logical structure. It is a place. Database is represented like this only. It is a place where we can store structured collection of data. This is a logical structure. Tables are visible in a database level or not. Operating system level, it is not visible. Database level, it is visible. That is a what? Logical structure of the where database. Understood? That's why up to now I am not telling a definition. Okay, yeah. Now that's why Oracle is a database product means what type of database product means today I will tell you. Now observe it here. Why I am struggling? I am telling about logical structure means some other concept is there. In a books we are referring means yes, in a Google you are referring what is Oracle you are typing means every other writing about Oracle is one of the popular relational data model product they are telling only. But I'm a first time newcomer. I'm confusing. What is this relational data model? Now, today you are understandable. What is data model? First, you are familiar. Then, what is relational data model? You are understandable. Then, securities, I will tell you. Observe here. Yes, a model. Data model is a terminology. Okay, what is data model means? Nothing is there. Observe here. Observe here. How data is represented at a logical structure of the database. Recently, we are learning a logical structure. No, logical structure means a structure which is not visible in operating system, but it is visible in a where? Database level or not? Yes. How data is represented at a logical structure of the database. In a logical structure of the database, how data is represented means nowadays 1970 onwards, data is represented in the format of matrix. There is nothing but a what? Yes, a table, rows and columns only. That is called relational data model. But olden days, in a 1970 before, this data model is not there. Yes, data is represented in the format of trees, graphs. That is called a tree structure. This is a hierarchical data model. And graphs, network data model is there like. That's why data model means don't afraid only how data is represented at the logical structure of the database is known as a what? A data model. Observe here. Data model specifies how data is represented at a logical structure of the database. But what is the relational data model? What is the relational data model means 1970 onwards, data is represented in the format of what? Matrix. So that is nothing but a what? A table. That is nothing but a what? A table contains rows and columns. Simple. And also relation is there, don't worry. Okay, yeah, observe. This data model onwards, yes, database softwares are popular. Oracle, SQL Server, Sybase, okay, system or this type of softwares are popular. Why means here data is visibility, okay, not a problem. Visibility in a way, database level easy and also understandable easy. Handling also very easy one. And more security is there, easy. Okay, first. Easily understandable. Tree structure is confusing. One to many, many to one. So many things are there, confusing only. But here, easily understandable. That's why this data model is data model specifies how data is represented at a logical structure of the database. Logical structure means a structure which is not visible in operating system also. It is visible in a way database level. So many times repeating. Observe it here. Understood? Yes, relational data model means in a 1970, EF Cord, Edger F. Cord, okay, so now he's working in an IBM company. Yes, he's only introduced a what? Data is represented in a logical structure in the format of matrix because he's a mathematician only. That's why relational data model is a concept introduced by EF Cord. Here, observe it here, in a 1970, EF Cord introduced a relational data model. In relational data model, data is represented in the format of tables. Easy. That's so easy, this one. Suppose SQL server you are learning. In that SQL server also data is represented in the format of what? Tables. You are learning of MySQL. MySQL also, yes, one of the relational data model product. That's why, yes, in that table also data. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Now it is audible. Sometime network problem. Hello, 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 hello. Now it is audible. Yeah. Now observe here. Observe here. Suppose you are a non-technical person. Observe here. Concentrate here. But you are interested to enter into software field. Reason also there. Okay, not a problem. Later, okay, not a problem. Software field. Always ever okay 10 years or okay 8 years after okay this type of reason is occurred okay in a 2001 onwards I am observing only, but not a problem. And now here check it out. Observe here in this recent period also you are a non-technical person also in a future purpose maybe you are interested to learn a what you are interested to shift into where software field, but who are well settled in your family in a software field, otherwise who are well settled in a where technically in a where your seniors, you are asking a what maybe inquiry, so many fellows are asking only which course I want to join. I am a non-technical person, for example you are telling like that. Technical means okay anything any course, but a non-technical person purpose, so many fellows are 80% of the senior most software engineers suggesting better to learn what any Oracle or any SQL server, any MySQL, better to learn. They are telling why they are telling like that without any coding knowledge also. Compared to C also, they are telling what first these type of languages they are telling only. Why? Because these type of languages anybody can understand. Anybody can understandable. Anybody can handle. Anybody without any knowledge of the software. Easiest softwares in a way worldwide and also most powerful software nowadays. Why these relational data model products are so easy? First, I will tell you now. Observe it here. Observe it here. Actually, relational data model, that is Oracle or SQL Server, DB2, Sybase, these are all relational data model products mainly consist of three components. Observe it here. How many components are there? Why relational data model products are so easy means I will tell you now. Relational data model mainly consists of how many components? Only 3 components are available. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. Now observe here, one by one observe here, very important. First component is available in a relational data model means simple collection of database objects. Collection of DB objects. What is this one? Suppose here, observe here, you are learning a course Oracle or SQL Server is a relational data model product or MySQL or DB2, anything. Now in this one, collection of database objects are available. Simple. Here table is available. Here also table is available. How much easy? What is table? Where we are using? How it will be storing? You have an idea? Means enough. Suppose view is a database object is there. Here also view is there. Here also view is there. Here synonym is there. Here also synonym is available. Here also synonym is available. Again, here, okay, procedure is available. Here also procedure is available. These are database objects. Here procedure is available. Here index is available. Called a collection of database objects, functions, procedure, triggers, packages. So many things are there. These are called collection of database objects. Here, what is these objects? What is the purpose of these objects? How we are using in a project site these objects? You have an idea means enough. That much of easy. That's why in a relational data model means data is represented in the format of matrix. So I agree. But these are relational data model product. Oracle is a relational data model product from Oracle Corporation. SQL Server is a relational data model product from Microsoft. MySQL is an open source. Nowadays Oracle purchasing only. And now that's why here first component is what? Very dead easy. That's why everyone understandable. Collection of database objects are available in a relational data model. Anywhere in the worldwide you are learning course also same. Tables, views, synonyms. These are we are learning collection of database objects. Second component, again easy. Suppose in a C, C++, Java, these type of languages side, you have an idea, operators. Operators, you have an idea? Yeah, here also operators are available. By using those operators, we are operating a data, same like a relational operator, logical operator, vocation of here, arithmetic operators are there. Not only that one, a special operators are available. Observe here, exist is an operator, in is an operator, like is an operator, in is an operator, between is an operator, is null is an operator. In every database in the worldwide, okay, union, interset, minus, these are the same like a okay, mathematics, no? Yes, those operators also available easy. That's why collection of operators are there, set of operators are available. Up to this one, dead easy. Oh, maybe Oracle course you are learning, SQL Server course you are learning, any okay, relational data model course we are learning also. Wow, how many components? 3 components are there. But first components, collection of database objects. Second component, set of operators. But how we are learning about set of operators means where we are using what those operators, where we are not using what those operators. I will tell you, don't worry. In a one of the class side, 1 minute observe here. That based only you are writing a what in a future. Don't write this demo class. Yes, observe here, 1 minute observe here. Yes, yeah, in a previous class. Observe here, these are so many operators are there where we are using. Suppose these are except arithmetic operators, these all operators are used in a where clause is there in a select statement, update statement, in this statement, where clause only. Again, arithmetic operators are used in a where after select keyword, something is there. Here only we are using. Again, we can also use combination of these operators in a where clause. This type of rules you have an idea, then big queries you are writing only. Okay, that is I will tell you, don't worry, very easy. That's why always these two are dead easy. Okay, fine. Anybody also understandable. But third one is important. So many fellows are third component, they doesn't have an idea. That's why they're failure in interview. So many fellows are third component, they are not good in a way project side. That's why they are struggle for surveying or vocation or for handling a projects very difficult. Whenever third component, you don't have an idea means. What is that component means? Very, very, very important. This is a key concept today onwards. Always relational data model products works based on set of integrity rules. Very, very important. Always relational data model products are works based on rules. These rules you are not good means you are failure. Failure. There is no choice in a way to handle the projects. In intro side also failure. That's why this is important. But unfortunately, anybody learning a courses, this is not concentrating all unnecessary things they are learning. Unnecessary things means okay, just okay, in a data entry operator also learning about those what is our table, what is how can I insert the data, how can I update the data, how can I delete the data. Yes, in a YouTube you are observing also you are learning no use. But handling the projects means some other knowledge is required. What is that one means? Observe here, very, very important. Always relational data model products works based on set of rules. This is important. In our classes, one of the days, these rules we are concentrating most powerful. Very, 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 very important. Really, data model products are works based on set of rules? Yes, 100%. Suppose, for example, observe here, this one I will tell you, don't worry, master table, child table, so many things I will tell you. But first, today, some other concepts I will tell you, don't worry, observe that rules base. Really, those rules are important? Yes. Now check it out, concentrate here, at least a small thing I'm telling. Suppose one ABC is a company is there, slowly observe here, one company is there, ABC company. In this ABC company side, two departments are there, for example. One is IT department is there, for example, IT department. Suppose in a future you are also joining in a where IT department. HR department, so many departments, but entertainment purpose, HR department, I am telling. Now, in these two departments, some employees are working. Suppose in IT department, 3 employees are there. Again, in HR department, 1 employee is there. For example, this is a small scenario. One company is there. In that company, 2 departments are there. In one department, 3 employees are working. For example, just imagination. Another department, yes, another 1 employee is working. HR department, 1 employee is working. This is in a senior most database programmer, database designer. Designing a what table format means what happened. Observe here, very interesting. Suppose, observe here, he is designing like this. Maybe this is correct or not. I don't know. You are only telling me. You are telling me it's really great. Suppose one of the senior most database designer in a where Oracle project side he is designing like, for example, okay, maybe you are also designing in a future, but just the idea purpose. Or maybe this is a table, employee table. Here, columns and rows, they have an idea. In a future, you are also familiar. Department name they are taking and employee name they are taking only. Okay, these are the columns. Okay, na? D name and E name is columns. For example, okay, fine. Here data is there. Suppose here in this department name, IT department is there. Okay. Yes, it is the data. In this IT department, what are the employees are available means, for example, here, one employee Smith is an employee there. Don't write it here, very interesting, comma, slowly observe here. Again, oh, maybe 3 employees are working. Alan is an employee there, comma, the EMP table data. Now, what is an employee there, for example? Again, in a HR department only, my name is Murali. Now here Murali is what? This is the way they are representing a what? Relational data model table in a some company scenario side. Okay, fine. Now this table is working or not working? Anybody guess it? Anybody guessing is great. This table is there in a relational data model. Okay. Or suppose Oracle project side. This table is working or not working? Anybody? Very good. Not working. Not working. Everyone thinking of working only, but it is not working. Why? Because here my senior most database designer not following the rules. Table format okay, but not following the rules. What is the rule means? First rule, observe here, observe here. Every cell in a relational data model having an atomic value. There is no multiple value separated with comma. What is atomic value means single value. Suppose here IT is a single cell, HR single cell, Murali single cell. Okay, up to now there is no problem. But here, a Smith, comma, Allen, comma, Ward. This is the problem. Here multiple values are available in a single cell. This is the problem. Multiple values are available in a single cell. What is the rule? There can be, okay. Always every cell having a what? Only one value, atomic value. There is no multiple value separated with comma. Data in each column should be atomic. Okay, that is a rule only. That rule I am not following only. That's why it vocation of here, yes, it won't work. But you are observing or not? Yes. Every cell also single value is there or not? Yes. Every cell also single value is there or not? Yes. Simple. Again, big table also here big table also. Every cell having a what single value there or not? Yes. Okay, na? Every cell having a what data in each column should be atomic is there or not? Yes. But why they are defining a what that rule? Anybody have an idea? In a Java developers, maybe reason guess it. Why EF code is a father of the relational data model? He is only introducing this rule only. Yes, here why he is defining a what that rule? Anybody have an idea? Reason I want. Reason you are telling means you are a very good experienced professional. A reason also there. What is the reason behind that one? Means simple reason. So many people say reasons they doesn't have an idea. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Simple. Observe here. That's why learning this is the way means interesting. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Table really not a problem. Multiple values separated with comma. I am creating also table is working, but nobody creating only but working. But why they are not preferring means this is a rule not following by the where okay in a database means that is not recommendable. Okay, na, yeah. But why? What is the reason? What is the reason? Means the reason is there. Now check it out. Screen observe. Actually, this data model, this type of representation introduced by EF code. Okay. He is only introducing a what for operating a data in these type of databases. He is only introducing a what one language. What is that language? SQL is a language. SQL language is a problem. Data table creating not a problem. SQL language is a problem. In SQL language, here some commands are there. Slowly observe it here. Update is a command. Suppose through the update command, whenever multiple values are separated with comma, I try to update a single value. Suppose Smith, I want to update. Impossible. That command syntax is not there. Whenever multiple values separated with comma, we cannot update a single value from those multiple values. Impossible. This is the one drawback. Again, another one. Suppose you are selecting only now here. Suppose I want to select a what? What is a employee from these multiple values separated with comma? Impossible. Again, I want to delete a what? Ln, for example, in this example, yes, I want to delete a what? Ln employee from these multiple values. Impossible. Impossible. Based on these reasons, SQL language is not supporting only. That's why it is not recommendable to store a multiple value separated with comma. That much of powerful. That's why rules based only working or not. Those are rules you are familiar in a future, not today. Just idea purpose I'm telling. That's why always relational data model products are works based on set of rules only. Set of rules. Very important. That the master chai table that records those rules, one of the stage you are learning. Okay, so many rules are there. Okay, understood. That's why relational data model products are very easy, but rules you are familiar means you are successful. Rules you are not good means you are failure. Nothing. Okay, now up to this one is enough today. Maybe tomorrow is the last demo class. Otherwise, tomorrow we are starting a regular session. Okay? Yeah. At least new fellows are coming, that's so slowly, small terminology I'm injecting. Anybody having any doubts, please ask me. Anybody newcomers are there? Ask me any doubt related to anything. One fellow is asking, Murali sir, will you provide a soft copy of material? Yes. This PDF is there. Okay. Management will send a PDF and videos also. Okay. Yeah. But don't write it these notes only. Why? Because these are demo class now. Just up to now we are not starting classes. Just demos only. Oh, maybe Oracle something is there. Some terminology. Just we are injecting only. These are related to subject only. But better to know something. Oh, maybe something is going on. Once we are starting a class, means that is different. Tools I am telling, something is different I am telling. Technical I am telling. These are just maybe some fellows having idea, recollecting purpose. Some small terminologies I am telling, injecting. Okay, na? Yeah. Don't worry. These notes don't write. Okay, yeah. One fellow is asking, Murali sir, after this course, I'm able to get a job. Yes. You are following me means 100% you are getting a job. Because confidence level like that only. Okay. Practicing. Whatever I'm telling means you have to observe it here, note so much of thing is there, but following up to some stage, at least sub queries properly you are practicing whatever I am telling only because I am so experienced person. I am telling what a window functions, advanced case, so many things I am telling only. Okay, yeah. Just you are following and YouTube's and so many okay, Google fellows are searching in a Google or anything, so many queries means easily anything also you are handling. But properly preparing is important. Confidence level, believe yourself, believe me only, then automatically you are getting it. Positive thinking is very important. Okay, na? Yeah. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Okay, na? Maybe tomorrow last demo, otherwise classes we are starting based on the management requirement. Okay, yeah. Don't worry, these are all classes. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much for attending this class. Tomorrow we'll continue. Thank you. Fresher, one fellow is asking only fresher level, how much package means? So fresher level means actually Oracle fresher level less jobs, really. Experience side, putting experience or anything means more jobs are there, but fresher level less jobs are there in a Oracle. Maybe you are getting means you're like guest person. Yeah, jobs are there, but less compared to front end. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay, na? Tomorrow I will tell you, man. Thank you. But this surely added advantage in a way in a software development. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow I'll continue. Thank you.